say this is all oiled up?
Oh yeah. Ooh. Oh my god, it looks so yummy.
Should you open that for me?
Yes, I can. Open. Okay.
Cinnamon.
I mean, who doesn't like cinnamon, right?
It might sound weird having cinnamon on steak, but it's gonna work out.
Yeah, he was trying to keep the faith, but he had no idea what I was about to do.
Always gotta try something new.
Try some.
You just gotta drizzle that cinnamon
Now,
on there.
I'm not burying it in cinnamon either. It's kind of just like a light touch.
Yup.
The barbecue rub.
Oh.
This one I'm going a little bit heavier on, okay? Covering it up.
That you don't like really want to see a lot of red. You want to just cover it up in maple barbecue rub.
And you know the maple barbecue rub is not going to work unless you rub. You gotta rub.
It's in the name. Maple barbecue rub.
Exactly.
Mmm.
So I wrap these up. So we're not mixing it up, okay? Boom. Same thing.
You get in that. It's good.
Yep.
What?
Then I was like, you know, why not butter up that steak? You know what I'm saying? Give it some good flavor, a nice little, I don't even know, but it looked good. Oh my goodness, that thing looked good. Woo!